Alright, bro. So we got another build for y'all boys. Oh shit. Fish. 2JZ. They got a beast that we gonna put it in. You know what I'm saying? IS300. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a beast. So we're just taking everything apart. Part one is just gonna be, you know, tear down. You know what I'm saying? Tear down. Starting off with the head, got the valve cover off already. Now he's taking the spark plugs out. He's taking the spark plugs out. And then once we take the spark plugs out, we're gonna put it to top dead center. So we can start taking the cameras out, and then take the head off, take the timing belt off. You know, it's standing right now. It had an automatic transmission, but you know, but go stick shift, of course. You know, of course. I can't tell y'all everything yet. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to keep it as surprise as possible. Once we get this tear down done, we're gonna send it to the shop, get it cleaned out. You know what I'm saying? New freeze plugs, everything, rings gapped, all that. You know, and then we're gonna most likely have a rebuild for you guys. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna tell you what type of horses we're trying to push out. You know what I'm saying? But it's gonna be a sleeper. That's it. It's gonna be a sleeper. You know. Or at least that's what Fish hopes. Shits. I gotta take them out too. What came off me? got gas system. Masterpiece. Almost done. Block is out. Everything is stripped. One thing we gotta do now is the internals, the guts of the engine of the block, you know what I'm saying? Cams. No, not cams, but you know, crank, connecting rods, pistons, you know what I'm saying? And then we're gonna send this off to the shop. What's the name of the shop that you sending it to? Cylinder Head Exchange. They're mainly, you know, head work, but we're gonna see if they can, you know, clean it up, gap the rings for us, born bills, you know what I'm saying? On the Carbon Network. NAT.
Doing a 2J's GE NAT build. So just, you know, just be patient, because we're being patient, but it's gonna come out good, man. It's gonna come out good.
It's gonna come out right, you know what I'm saying? Clean, clean, clean. We did see like 2 baby little hairline scores. One on each of the middle crankshaft journals. But you know, he's gonna most likely take it to, you know, a crank shop and have them look at it. Make sure they're good to go. We got some standard board bearings. Performance, of course. ACL, I think. So, of course, man, we're gonna make sure we check it out. Let me show you that crank. He's taking out the main caps right now. But, there you go, man. Look at that clean journal.
They're numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you guys know exactly how to put it in order.
Exactly. And then, of course,
to the end.
The front is always where the balancer sits, where the timing is. So there you go. That's 1, and you work your way back. So guys, look, man, you gotta crank out. Look at that, man. Pretty, 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 man. This was a very great block, man. Block don't got no scores, no nothing, man. Everything looks clean.